What if I told you that right now, at this exact second, something from beyond our solar system has stopped just floating along and started sending clear, organized signals straight at Earth? What if I told you that our biggest telescopes are fixed on it, watching everything leave, and no one, not NASA experts, not star scientists, not the military, has any idea why? Stay with me, because what comes next will flip your view of the world upside down. Right now, something is happening in our solar system that no astronomer ever has seen before. This strange visitor from another star, called 3I Atlas, might have traveled for billions of years from who knows where. And now it's doing something that doesn't just bend the laws of physics, it smashes them to bits. This isn't a tiny weird blip. It's not a machine mistake or a data mix-up. This is a huge clear event across the whole system. It's the kind that makes scientists whisper in secret rooms, rip up their books, scrap their ideas, and question everything they thought they knew about the universe. If you're hooked on the wild puzzle of 3I Atlas and you want the real facts that some might try to hide, hit that like button hard. Show the cosmos you're paying attention. Every like keeps this hunt for the unknown going strong, pushing back against those who want this tale buried. As 3I Atlas moves quietly but threateningly through our local space, scopes from Chile's dry deserts to satellites way up high are catching readings that shouldn't be there. We're spotting waves in the electromagnetic field where it should be dead quiet. We're seeing radiation patterns twisting in ways no comet, asteroid, ice chunk, or rock ever could. This thing isn't acting random. It isn't spinning wildly. It's like it's following a plan. It's like it's turning something on. Scientists are now saying this is the scariest and most confusing find since the first interstellar object, Oumuamua. But this isn't Oumuamua. That one was a shadow. It sped up for no reason, then disappeared, leaving a puzzle we couldn't crack. 3I Atlas is different. It's not fleeing, it's putting on a show. The data isn't just surprising, it's rewriting the rules. And as we get closer, second by second, to its big risky pass near the sun, one question grows louder and scarier. What has 3I Atlas set off in our solar system? And what is it building up to? Because if these signals are more than a freak of nature, if they're a part of a planned, step-by-step event, then this could start not just a new science chapter, but a tale way older and weirder than humans themselves. Let's go back. Jump to mid-October. That's when the alarm started. The Hubble Space Telescope, our reliable sky watcher, got aimed anew. This wasn't normal checking, it was a top priority sudden target. The job? Lock on 3I Atlas and watch non-stop. Experts thought they'd see a faint, silent space rock gliding through the dark. They'd measure its size, spin, and makeup, stuff for a simple paper on other stars' chemistry. Instead, the results hit the astronomy world like a bomb. The data showed waves, not space-time bends or gravity pulls, but something odder and closer. Waves in the electromagnetic field right around the object. These weren't random sparks. They were neat, planned waves spreading out millions of kilometers, like careful ripples on a giant pond. Dr. Sarah Chen, a sharp astrophysicist at Harvard-Smithsonian, spotted it first, a signal hidden in the tons of light data. It was the kind you'd only see in theory books. She checked the gear 6 times, sure it was a fault or Earth noise. It wasn't. When she told her team, her voice mixed wonder and shock. They were picking up organized electromagnetic waves coming right from 3I Atlas. Then the big reveal? The frequency. Exactly 1.42 GHz. To you, that might mean nothing. To astronomers, it's the most key, sacred, and spooky frequency out there. It's the hydrogen line, the signal from neutral hydrogen, the universe's most common stuff. It's the one channel any advanced civilization anywhere would know. It's the cosmic hello line. SETI folks have listened to it desperately for over 60 years, hoping for one unnatural blip. Now Hubble caught it. But the real terror wasn't the frequency. Natural things like gas clouds or far galaxies send it too, but messy and wild, like nature's roar. Hubble got the opposite, a soft, ordered, rock-steady, on-purpose whisper. The question shifted from, is it sending, to why? When something from an unknown star, older than our world, starts broadcasting on the universe's smart frequency with perfect timing, like a clock, we have to face the impossible. we might be staring at what we've hunted and feared our whole lives. Hubble's 1.42 GHz find didn't just spark questions, it caused hidden panic in a tiny group of cleared astrophysicists with the raw data. No public announcement. It was secret. First guess, Hubble broke, its old parts picking up junk from a military sat or even a kitchen microwave. They tested. Aimed at empty sky, the signal vanished. Back to 3i Atlas. It was there. Steady, perfect. The hydrogen line, a clear, smart pulse. For 3 days, this stayed locked in scared secrecy. But the universe ignored our rules. Just 3 days after Hubble's game changer on October 18th, it broke free. Not in news, but in a worldwide event hitting amateur radio fans. From Canada's chilly nights to German suburbs and Japan's busy cities, ham radio users reported the same creepy thing. For exactly 47 seconds, their sets weren't just buzzy. They were overwhelmed, drowned in wild static unlike any they had heard in years. Not soft space hiss, not solar crackle, not sat passes. A flood that hit, filled everything for 47 seconds, then cut off like a switch. Alone, each was odd. But map them all, the spots formed a perfect curve across Earth, tracing back to point straight at 3i Atlas's spot in the sky, right then. One early analyzer was Marcus Rodriguez, a pro telecom guy from Colorado with fancy gear in his basement. He recorded the burst, didn't buy solar excuses. He did Fourier analysis, math to break noise into parts. He hunted a cause, found a mark instead. The noise hit a repeating math pattern, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, the Fibonacci sequence. Let that hit you. Not random. It's life's math fingerprint, design, awareness. It shows in galaxy spirals, flower petals, seashells. The ultimate sign of order, finding it baked into a global radio hit tied to a star visitor? Not chance, not nature. It's talk. Experts worldwide rushed for normal answers. Desperate. Solar stuff? Parker Solar Probe near the sun saw calm winds. No flares. Sun clear. Atmosphere bounce? No. Too wide, too timed, wrong shape. Magnetic trigger? No fit. Physics didn't match. One by one, easy theories crashed under the proof. Left, the truth. A signal. A pulse. A star-spanning math. Hello. Not peace. A power display. And it didn't stop. Days later, more weirdness. Stronger. Clearer. Scarier. As Fibonacci and hydrogen news spread in secret circles, scientists tried forcing it into known boxes. Solar go-to? Parker said, quiet sun. No storm match. Comet gas. New chemistry with sun. Comets don't make tight waves or hit key frequencies or hide math and static. Magnetic clash with solar wind? Possible, but natural spreads wide and noisy. This was sharp, laser-like. Safe ideas failed. Left a thought that shook even top physicists. What if 3i Atlas isn't a random rock? What if its trip here is planned? By late October, proof was too strong to brush off. It wasn't just odd, it was reacting. Energy, signal strength, direction shifting like it noticed something, like us. Then the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's best eye, looked. JWST aimed its gold infrared at 3i Atlas for answers. Expected comet heat, gas details. Got a freeze instead. It wasn't bouncing light like rocks do. It sucked it in, almost all wavelengths, infrared to UV. Like wrapped in a radiation-eating shield. Dr. Amir Hassan called it the darkest, coldest thing beyond our system in a leaked note. But worse, temperature. It should heat up nearing sun. Basic rules. Instead, it cooled. Opposite of physics, heat laws, reality. Then the game-changing pick. In clean data, faint repeating triangles on one side. Perfect, even-spaced, man-made. Not craters or ridges. Team thought glitch, sensor, mirror, noise. But it stayed in every light type, even hard-to-fake infrared. Real. They simulated 72 hours. No natural way for those shapes. Only left, designed. 3i Atlas wasn't natural, it was made. As Webb watched in shock, triangles moved a bit, like responding to the telescope's beams. Millions of miles away, it watched back. The world was still digesting Webb's scary triangles, locked with few knowing when a new alarm hit from Australia's Deep Space Network. Routine track, huge 70-meter dish, caught faint but structured signal. Same, 1.42 GHz, but now modulated, carrying info. Team thought our SAT echo. Nope, source was it. Pattern, short pulses every 7 seconds exact. Digital, smart. Graph it, spiral like Fibonacci from radio hits. Smoking gun. Kept going, clock steady. Dr. Elena Navarro, ESA code expert, ran her old first contact program. After 12 hours, result. 3D geometry schematic, matched Webb's triangles, blueprint-like, resonance chamber, beacon, targeting, government sealed it fast. NASA faked focus elsewhere. SETI stopped public updates. Implication, not random, a reply. It heard us. Early November, quiet, bursts, pulses, ripples, gone, like powered off. But scopes caught space thinning around it, laws bending, not done, waiting. At NASA's JPL, Dr. Rowan Ellery called it storm's eye. Path tweaked tiny, precise, not gravity, steering. Europe's solar orbiter snapped it against sun corona, black void, but infrared pulse every 12 minutes exact. JPL analyst, pulses hit Earth's South Atlantic anomaly, weak mag field spot, sat killer zone, our soft spot, not coincidence now, targeting, scopes unified in fear, next pulse, monitors flickered, power dips, data, black. At 12 minutes, strong pulse, then silence. Charge quiet, world changed. Satellite dip over South Atlantic, then cascade, networks down, air control freeze, GPS blind, clocks off, power grids crash. Europe, South America. 7 minutes, blind, deaf, mute civilization. One ESA relay held seconds. Sent data fragment. Later, 3D mag map, light at anomaly, ground sensors, huge ion surge up atmosphere. Planet answered, NASA emergency line. Voice said, it's reflecting back, signal from Earth now. But 3i Atlas, gone, empty sky, no trace. After, limbo, governments mute, bland solar excuses, media buried it, but traces linger, in dead sats, recordings, Earth's mag field, fingerprint, message, warning, some secret talks, not visitor, key, woke old network here, tested if ready, teams decode nonstop, patterns and noise. Why here, now, specific aim. It vanished, but echoes whisper, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Universe says, not alone. Solar system hides ancient, strange, planned secrets.